In this video, I'm gonna go through how you can know your numbers and what they mean and how you can save big in tax with the Profitable Painter program. As a CPA who specializes in the painting industry since 2016, I've helped over 400 painting businesses with revenues between 0 and 20 million understand their numbers and save big in tax. I'm gonna go through 4 things with you. 1, state of the accounting industry. 2, how we work. 3, what our process is. And 4, some frequently asked questions. First, let's take a look at the state of the accounting industry. This is a recent survey of the top complaints that small business owners have about their accountants. Their accountant is very reactive, not providing proactive advice or information. They struggle with hitting timelines, late tax returns, late bookkeeping, or even just late responding to you. They don't provide much guidance or advice. They just do the bookkeeping and tax preparation without helping you improve the business. They don't educate the small business owner, not helping them grow themselves or their business. Does any of this sound familiar? We're different, and this is how we work. We combat each of these stereotypes, starting with being proactive. You are paired up with an accountant who knows the painting industry and who helps you know your numbers on what they mean so you can get to the next level. The painting businesses that work with us, on average, increase their bottom line net profit by $78,000. From a tax planning perspective, we meet with our clients throughout the year to understand their tax liability and develop strategies to reduce taxes. The painting businesses that work with us, on average, save $44,000 in taxes. We take a holistic view of your financial situation. You have a painting business, maybe you also have rental properties, retirement accounts, and other income sources. So we developed a holistic tax saving strategy based on those situations. For timeliness, we meet with you monthly to make sure you understand the numbers throughout the year. Additionally, we're meeting with you quarterly to review your tax situation so that there's no surprises and you have the strategies you need to save big. For guidance and advice, we provide guidance and advice to painting contractors, helping them make smarter decisions and track key performance indicators. And we're constantly seeking feedback on our guidance and advice, and we maintain a 96% positive customer feedback rate over the last 12 months. And you can check out dozens of Google reviews and testimonial videos of folks saying the same thing. We help them understand their numbers and save big in tax. For education, not only do we provide education through our podcast, the Profitable Painter podcast, but we also host monthly masterminds with our clients on the first, second, and third Thursdays of each month. We also have a membership area with courses on knowing your numbers, taxes for painting contractors, and recordings of the masterminds. Side note, there are financing options available for large cleanup projects with 0% interest financing. Now, you have 3 options. 1, you can do it yourself, which if you're watching this video, you probably want to grow your business to the next level and you don't have time to do your own accounting. 2, you can use non-industry specific accountants. You just might run into the issues we covered at the beginning of this video. Or 3, you can go through our proven process, which I'll cover next. Our process is 4 steps. Step 1, get a quick ROI. We start by helping you get a quick return on investment. In the first 3 weeks after you sign up, we look at your last 3 tax returns and pull your IRS tax transcripts. This helps us find any tax saving opportunities that you may have missed. Make sure to take advantage of those right away. Step 2 is to set up a cloud-based bookkeeping system so you get the information you need to help you get to the next level. Your bookkeeping system is not just QuickBooks Online, though that is the foundation. There are other components that are involved. For example, you have your CRM, such as Drip Jobs, Paint Scout, Jobber, House Call Pro. We'll connect your CRM so we get the customer and invoice data into your bookkeeping system. You also use paint vendors like Benjamin Moore or Sherwin-Williams. We'll make sure to pull that data in so you have the information on materials for your projects. You also probably use payroll or time tracking services like Gusto, ADP, Busy, ClockShark. We'll pull that data into your QuickBooks Online, so we're getting clear labor cost information. We integrate QuickBooks Online with your estimating software, CRM, vendors, payroll data, and time tracking data, so we get good information to generate accurate reports so we can analyze your situation. We can also set up tracking that's important to you to make decisions, such as service line profitability, like interior painting versus exterior painting versus cabinets, to understand which service line is most profitable. Also job costing, so you can see what jobs are profitable and not profitable. And even marketing return on investment, so you can make decisions on what marketing channels are giving you a good ROI. We do this by conducting onboarding meetings to get the access we need, set up the system, and clean your bookkeeping records. Step number 3 is to deliver insights to you so you can make better decisions. We do this by providing month-end reporting through a Google Sheet package connected to QuickBooks Online. This data refreshes each hour, and in this month-end report package, it allows us to compare your numbers to your goals and other painting businesses. We internally benchmark all the painting businesses that we work with so you can see where you stand amongst your peers. In most cases, we connect CRM data to track key metrics like lead conversion, close ratio, and average job size. You can set up job costing reports so you can see your margins on each individual job. You'll also have access to all your different financial reports at any time, so you don't have to wait on someone to send them to you or dig through QuickBooks Online. All the data in your month-end report package has a live connection to QuickBooks Online, so you can actually click any number that you want to investigate and it will open QBO to show you the underlying transactions. Then you get the expert support. You're paired up with an advisor to meet with you monthly to review the numbers so you have a solid understanding of how your business is performing and what you need to do to improve it. Now, step number 4. Once you're making solid profits, you'll need to protect that profit with proactive tax planning and tax preparation to get your taxes as close to zero as legally possible. Remember, once you hit any level of success in your business, the biggest expense is going to be taxes. The way we do this is we connect your QBO to some tax planning software and pair you up with a tax professional who conducts proactive tax savings sessions throughout the year by first doing a tax projection with you so we can see how much you're on track to owe in tax. Second, your tax professional helps you develop strategies to reduce your tax liability as close to zero as legally possible. And so this might be setting up an accountable plan in your S-Corp. Maybe it's starting a retirement plan, or maybe it's hiring your kids. Whatever makes sense for your personal situation, we'll explore those different options. So we'll be doing 4 tax planning sessions each year, but you also have unlimited quick chats if things come up between meetings. At the end of the year, we'll also prepare your federal and state business income tax returns. On average, our clients are saving $44,000 in taxes, so the program pays for itself. We also have add-ons, job costing, payroll, accounts payable, accounts receivable, sales tax filing and payments, and even doing your personal income tax return. So if you need help with any of these items, we can add this to your package as well. Here's a quick recap of everything you'll get with the Profitable Painter program. First, we kick things off with a quick ROI tax return analysis to find missing tax savings to give you a quick return on investment. Then, set you up on your bookkeeping system, your reporting package, and get all the business and tax information organized. From there, we'll handle weekly bookkeeping, monthly reports, and your year-end business tax return, so you can stay compliant and stress-free. You'll have a dedicated advisor for monthly financial planning, quarterly tax projections, and strategy sessions to make sure you keep more of what you earn. You also get up to 1 to 2 advisory calls per month, unlimited support by email, text, and phone, and will sync your CRM with your dashboard for smarter data-backed decisions. Plus, you'll get access to your mastermind in our private member training area with tools, templates, and coaching designed just for painting business owners. Need more? We can also add payroll, job costing, accounts receivable, accounts payable, and sales tax filings, and even your personal income tax return as well. It's everything you need to know your numbers, save big in taxes, and scale your painting business without doing any of the books yourself. Frequently asked questions. Why is now the perfect time to start? I get it. You're thinking, I'm too busy right now. Maybe it's busy season for your business or your daily schedule feels packed. It's easy to think there's no time to start something new. But here's the thing. The busier you are, the better it is to start. Life is always going to be busy. If you can't make changes when you're busy, how can your business grow in the long run? You want your success to last, right? So there's no better time to get help than when you need it most. I used to think I'll start when I have the time, but I learned that if I keep waiting, that perfect time never comes. We all have the same 24 hours each day. It's not about how much time you have, but how you use it. And that's where we help. We'll start by taking over those finance tasks so you have more time to focus on growing your business. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking, I'll start when I have time, or I'll save money when I'm rich, but waiting just keeps you stuck. The best time to start is now. If others who are just as busy as you can make it happen, so can you. Return on investment. You might be wondering, what will the return on investment for these services be? We understand that this is important, so we focus on making sure that the value we provide more than covers the cost of our services. We do this in two main ways. First, we help you make more money. Since we only work with painting businesses, we know exactly what your profit margins should be. Plus, there's a saying, what gets measured gets improved. For example, a recent study followed 1,000 adults for a year and found that people who weighed themselves once a week or less didn't lose weight. But those who weighed themselves 6 or 7 times a week lost an average of 1.7% of their weight. The same idea applies to your business. By regularly measuring and tracking numbers, we can help you improve your profits. In fact, on average, our clients increase their net profit by $78,000. Second, we save you money on taxes. On average, we save our clients $44,000 in taxes each year, which usually covers the cost of our services. So not only do you get expert financial guidance, but you also see direct savings that make our partnership a smart investment. I know that working with other accountants or bookkeepers in the past might have left you feeling frustrated. You may have dealt with missed deadlines or felt like you weren't getting the guidance and proactive advice that you needed. It's tough when you expect support and don't get it. But don't let that bad experience stop you from getting the help that your business needs. Don't let it burn you a second time by not working with us. We're here to provide the timely, expert service that you deserve so that you can focus on growing your business without worry. Don't put off knowing your numbers and saving big on taxes. The longer you wait, the more opportunities you'll miss. A good accounting team pays for itself, helping you improve your financial situation and giving you peace of mind. Get this part of your business in order now. When you know your numbers and have a solid tax strategy, you're setting yourself up for success. Don't stall. Take action today and start seeing the benefits right away.